Hey everybody, it's Rebecca from Andis Wines. Welcome to my home. I am bringing you the brunch edition of the Andis Wines virtual tasting room in the kitchen series. I've got a really tasty, simple recipe for you today. It's a Dutch baby pancake, and you most likely have all of the ingredients already in your pantry. We're gonna cook up some sausages, drizzle a little plum jam over the top for a nice sauce. And then what's brunch without the wine? We've got our 2019 Rosé to go with it. It's gonna go great with that sauce, that plum jam sauce. So let's get the wine open, let's get our oven preheating and our batter together. The first thing that we're going to do is preheat our oven to 425. I've got our ingredients already parsed out. We've got 3 eggs, 3/4 cup whole milk, 1/4 cup of sugar, 1/2 cup of flour, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla, and we've got 2 tablespoons of butter. Now the butter we're going to put in our cast iron or oven safe pan and get that melting so that our batter doesn't stick. Our butter is done melting, so we're gonna take it off the heat so that it won't cook our eggs when we put our batter in. Make sure that you thoroughly coat the sides of the pan so that our pancake doesn't stick during the baking process. And then we'll come back over here to mix up our batter. I have a medium mixing bowl here. You could also use a blender to make cleanup even easier. I don't have one, so I'm gonna do traditional whisking today. Let's go ahead and add our remaining ingredients to our bowl. And then we're gonna whisk this until it's nice and smooth. Put that in the sink, and let's go ahead and pour it into our pan. So we're gonna go ahead and put this in the oven. And we're gonna set our timer on the oven to 20 minutes. Okay, while that cooks, let's get our sausages on, put our sauce together, maybe have a little rosé, and I'll see you back here in 20 minutes. For our sauce, I'm gonna blend together some of this pluots jam we sell in the tasting room with a little Meyer lemon juice to add a nice fruit pop to our pancake that'll pair with the rosé. Sausages are ready, I think. Okay, our timer is going off. Let's turn our oven off and let's see our Dutch baby pancake. Oh, it's a beauty. It is a beauty. Look at that. Gorgeous, yes? Gorgeous. Let's go ahead and plate it on up. I use a spatula to kind of loosen the edges because sometimes it will stick. And then let's add our drizzle made from our jam sauce. It's gonna add that nice hit of fruit, acid, lemon, citrus that's gonna go so great with our rosé. Let's serve it on up. So there you have it, everybody. We've got our Dutch baby pancake with our plum pluots jam sauce. It's gonna go great with the crisp flavors of the rosé. We've got some savory sausages, some fruit, perfect, easy brunch. Check out the recipe in the comment section below and in the newsletter. Let us know how you like it, if you have any questions. In the meantime, enjoy as much as you can, stay healthy, and we can't wait to see you back in the tasting room as soon as this is all over. Cheers, everybody.